Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. Teachers' Day is commemorated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second president of our country as well as a great teacher. Stop. According to the Radhakrishnan ji, true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. Stop. A teacher plays a backbone in the construction of society. Stop. He nurtures the naive child with his knowledge and experiences and turns it into a sincere, knowledgeable, responsible human being. Stop. Para. A teacher is like a candle who burns himself to lighten up the whole world. Stop. He shows us the righteous path when we are directionless. Teachers have played a vital role in educating our society and making the world a better place. Stop. Our history also shows that we have considered our teachers above all in the whole world. Stop. We all have heard the story of Eklavya and Dronacharya. Stop. Eklavya gave his right thumb as a Guru Dakshina to Dronacharya even without a second thought. Stop. Guru Nanak Dev Ji said that someday God and teacher both stand together, then I will first touch the feet of my teacher because my teacher has taught me about God. Stop. And how true is this? Question mark. A teacher selflessly puts all his efforts to bloom a raw seed in the right direction. Stop. A teacher can be anyone who teaches us the various phases of life. Stop. A mother, father, sibling, or any other person who gives us the knowledge and guides us through the right path is a teacher. Stop. India has always been a land of great teachers. Stop. From Aryabhat to Dr. Abdul Kalam, many great teachers have emphasized the importance of a good teacher. Stop. Dr. Abdul Kalam has said teachers are the backbone of any country, the pillars upon which all aspirations are converted into realities. Stop. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan also said teachers should be the best minds in our country. Stop. Teachers play an important role in flourishing the coming generation and making them ready to be future leaders. Stop. Para. The Teachers' Day celebration started in 1962 and since then it has become an honorary tradition of our country. Stop. This day is celebrated to remember the vital role of teachers in our society. Stop. In many schools and institutions, this day is celebrated as a cultural function and students participate in various programs to pay their tribute. Stop. A teacher in himself is a comprisal of all forms of gods, and that's why a teacher's place is considered above God in our society. Stop. In our history, a teacher has given utmost importance because a mother's womb gives shape to a human body, but a teacher gives shape to a human values. which further strengthen our society as humanity and helps it in becoming progressive. Stop. A teacher opens a window of thousands of opportunities for students to lead them on a good path in life. Stop para. The relationship between a student and a teacher is like a potter and clay. Stop. The potter jiggers the clay to make sure there are no lumps and then models it into a beautiful art structure. Stop. Similarly, a teacher may be hard on us sometimes, but at last they only want us to become the best version of ourselves. Stop para. At last, I would say that Teachers' Day is not only about celebrating our teachers but also about inculcating their values and carrying their teaching ahead to the coming generations. Thank you.